Hello everyone, welcome back again to yet another video about cars and auction details in Japan. Yo, this is SMB Cars and our company is called SMB Trading. As we always do, we always go to different auction houses and we do check on the cars and also give some car details and the market prices. Today is a Thursday in Japan and we are going to one of the biggest auction houses, which is called USS Osaka, that we always go to every week on Friday. The auction runs every Friday, but we decided to come on Thursday today to check on the cars. So we've got some inquiries from our customers from Africa and also those who live in Japan who would like to buy and drive cars in Japan. And for those who are outside Japan, they want to buy directly from the auctions and ship them to their countries. So as we always do, we'll be moving around the auction house and I'll be showing you different cars and I'll give my reviews and of course the market prices. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you're out there and you'd like to buy a car to drive here in Japan or to ship it from Japan to your country, to your friends or family, just feel free to write the comment and let me know and I'll work on you right away. So as you can see right now, we're about to get to the auction house. This is the main building. It's USS Osaka. If you happen to watch some of my last videos, I did some clips on the USS auction. Now, what we're doing today is, as I always say, that the auction houses do release data of different cars or models that have been sold in the last couple of months. So this time around, we got some data for August, and it shows how much these cars were being sold and the years, the mileage, the conditions and stuff. That's one thing. And in Japan, we got a data that shows these cars that are being sold in August, but these are not used cars, they're mainly new cars, new motors. So we'll be ranking them from 10 to 1 and I'll give you the explanations. I'll show you the cars first of all, and I'll also explain why these cars have been sold in Japan in numbers. So depending on the conditions, the sales points and the fuel efficiency, the safety features and stuff, and why these cars have been sold in Japan in August. So what we're doing today is we're doing used cars, but of course we're gonna base this data and information to give you what these cars have been sold and why they've been sold and why they're so popular here in Japan. So it's gonna be a long video, but I hope you guys enjoy it and you can watch it right away from the start to the end. And please do not forget to like, comment, and if possible, subscribe. I don't ask people to subscribe, but if possible, if you want and you feel like you like my content, go ahead and you click that button and let us grow. Alright, so we just got right. ショットって何分やったっけ全部。ああ。よし。Okay. Yep. Alright guys, we are right now at the USS auction and you see all these cars, they're already being lined up for auction tomorrow. Like I said before, the auction is gonna run tomorrow on Friday. And today of the Thursdays, many of the dealers, buyers come around to check on some of the cars before the auction starts, so they don't want to make mistakes when they are bidding. Right now, as I speak, we are are in the area for the accident cars, or you can call them the salvage cars or the accidented cars, and lots of cars are around me right here right now. And I think I said this before in some of my videos. The thing is actually not only the used cars business is big in Japan, but also the accident cars. So most of the people are doing cars who can actually repair these cars by themselves in Japan. What they do is they buy these kind of cars, like this one, the Lexus hybrid, and it's a new motor. So they buy them and they repair them, then resell. Or some others, they just ship them outside Japan. Now, like this one is accidented on this left side. You can see this grill, the bumper, the headlights, fender. It's pretty much accidented, but the rest of the parts might be doing well. So let me see if I can switch on the engine, because what I know, most of the cars that are accidented but they're being sold in the auction, the engine usually starts. Let's try. No, 鍵がない。OK。これなんなんこれ。これ生きてる? So like this one, you see the airbag, Prius car. The airbag is out. See? This is for the passenger seat side and the driver's side, you see? So I think the previous owner could not repair this and just took out the navigation system. And you see the cotton? これも出てる。これやばいで。生きてたのPrius 50 Prius. There is Daihatsu Tanto. There is another Lexus. Damn, look at this. これどんな事故？電柱いったんちゃうかな? Looks like maybe he might have hit like electric post or something. Because look at that, everything is pretty much gone. Alright, so let's go around. This is Nissan, it's also accident. Kicks, Alphard. There's some truck, the pickups by Nissan, Serena, it's locked, Aqua, again Serena, this is a Volkswagen, Prius. Oh, 見てこれやばい。どうなってる？キャンプのテントやん。しかもめっちゃ綺麗やん、ボディが。When you see this, it's pretty clean, the body, but damn, it's accident one. Okay. This front side, that part, and the curtains and the airbags all out. No, I mean, we cannot see them all, but it's a bunch of cars. So if you're out there and you're only interested in the accident cars, yeah, it's a great business. you might want to give it a try. And but the thing is, I would say is I don't usually buy these accident cars because I do not repair by myself. If I'm to buy some of these, I need to do outsourcing. So I need somebody. Of course, I have some Japanese companies, some Japanese people that I know who are doing car repair and stuff. But still, it's pretty expensive. So you might buy the car cheaper, but still repairing it takes you a lot, and you feel like you might find that you're not doing some good money, but just spending a lot only on repair. So we don't do these accident cars. これベンツちゃん。死んでるやん。これどんな事故やってこれ。
これ雨降ったらやばいよ。
うん。てかこれどうやって持ってくのここまで。そもそも。こんな。これどうやって持ってきた大変やで。やばい。Alright. Okay, let's keep on moving. Audi Q3 SUV. There's also another accident cars. On the left side, the curtain's out. And I think, no, the airbag is fine. It's only the curtains and this left side. Again, Prius. Look,やばいやん。これ何？いててて。ポロ。やばい。しかも。You got tires inside. Oh, nice. Look at this. It's a nice one. かからへんやん。かかっていいかな。Damn, this one is also another accident car. キーが見つかりません。鍵がありません。では、これかっこいい。
なんで
うん。新しいやつ。Okay. Crown. Another accident one. You got some trucks, although these ones are all accident trucks. Okay. Harrier, dang. Harrier. I love this car. All right. Okay, so I guess Voxy, another Harrier, Aqua, many cars. Oh, X1. 見てこれ傾いてないえ、これ何が問題？X1 BMW ロックかかってんな。これどう？ Okay, so there's so many cars in this accident area, so I think I've tried to show you a lot. So we're going to the second floor, third floor, and fourth to the high roof, and I'll show you the used cars and we will start giving the market prices. All right, so let's go. All right, lastly, I'll end by giving you two more extra information. One is how to buy a car through us or from us, and how to ship a car, buy and ship a car through us. First of all, to buy a car through us, we need you to just do one thing for us. Okay, just go ahead and send us what kind of cars that you want, the models or the years, the mileage, colors, and stuff like that. So you give us the spec, and what we do is we go to the auction houses directly, just like we just came today right here, right now, and we will check on those particular cars, and we go back to our office and we check the data in the system, and we see how much these cars are being sold in the last couple of weeks, days, or months. Then what we do is we will give you the photos and the shot videos as well, and the market prices for those cars. And then once you choose the car and we agree on the amount, of course the car price and the shipping charges as well, we give you an invoice. We make an invoice, then we ask you to send money to us. We don't ask any customer or anybody to send money to an individual account number. No, everything has to be sent by through our bank account. Our company has a bank account, so we ask you to transfer the money or deposit the money on our bank account directly. So once we confirm the payment, then we just go ahead and start the bidding process. So we go to the auction. If it's in if the auction house is close to where we live or our company is, then we just go directly to the auction and we do the bidding. If not, if it's far from, let's say, Yokohama or Kanagawa or anywhere else outside, we do an online bidding. So then once we win the bid, then we arrange the delivery of the car to the nearest port, or if that car needs to be inspected, because if you're shipping a car out to Japan, most of the countries you're supposed to do a pre-shipping inspection. So we take that car to the to the inspection company, sorry, and they'll do the inspection, pre-shipping inspection. Then once the car passes the inspection, then the next step is the car is being sent to the port directly. Then the shipping company will do the rest of the work to arrange the shipment for your car. So that's when you're planning to ship the car outside. Or then the other thing is, if you want to drive in Japan, you live here in Japan but you don't know how to buy cars, or you need somebody who you can trust to buy your car, what we need is we ask you for a driving license, and we ask you for Zairyu card, that's the residence card, and of course your valid address and the money as well. So we do the same thing. We ask you for what kind of cars you want, we check for the cars, we give you all the information, you send us the money, we make the invoice, you send us the money, and we do our part. We meet somewhere, or we send the car directly to your place, or you come to our office, then we give you the key. If you want to do the name of change by yourself, you go ahead and do it by yourself. If not, if you don't have any information about that, you let us do everything from A to Z. So we buy the car, we take it we take back the number plate. If it doesn't have the number plate, then we apply for a number plate, insurance, and stuff like that, and we register the car under your names. Then your job is only to wait for us to give you a call. We meet up, and we give you the key and the car, and that's the end of the deal. Yep. So if you're out there and you want to drive in Japan, we help you. If you want to buy and ship outside Japan, we still support you. So just feel free to text me or you call me, and you let me know whatever you want, and I'll try to respond. All right, so thank you so much. Thank you for always watching us. That's what I had for you today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Okay.